And now for our con job of the day, we turn to Texas Governor Rick Perry's hypocrisy over federal spending. Wildfires are raging in Texas, and on Sunday, Governor Perry asked President Obama to declare a federal disaster so the state could get federal money to help fight the fires. He wrote, quote, "I urge President Obama to approve our request quickly so Texans can continue receiving the resources and support they need as wildfires remain an ongoing threat." Now, these fires have burned hundreds of homes and more than 1 million acres of land. Texans certainly deserve that federal help. But it's interesting that Perry's asking for it. 2 years ago, he was so adamant that the federal government was messing with Texas, he suggested that the state had the right to secede.
It's time to draw the line in the sand and tell Washington that no longer are we going to accept their oppressive hand in the state of Texas. There is a point in time where you stand up and say enough is enough.
What happened? I thought the federal government was oppressive. Why are you asking for their help now? Perry's big beef at the time with Uncle Sam was that he thought stimulus funds would come with big strings attached. He initially tried to turn down some of the money, calling the stimulus irresponsible.
I'm so concerned about the belief that has gained a foothold in our national consciousness that the best and only way to solve our nation's problems is to drown them with this huge supply of taxpayer dollars.
Yes, Perry was so concerned about the awful influence of the stimulus money that he ended up using $6.4 billion in stimulus aid to plug 97% of Texas's budget hole last year. 97%. In fact, Texas relied more on stimulus money than any other state to balance its budget in 2010. Then, of course, he bragged about how he balanced the budget. Look, I want to be clear. I think Perry should have taken the stimulus money and asked for help with the fires. But next time we bail you out, we'd like a thank you rather than your smug hypocrisy. Rick Perry biting the hand that feeds and protects him is our con job of the day.